more friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw TENG 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 SAHUR from Italian Brainrot, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first let's get started in the middle with a nice big circle. So we're going to start on the top, curving this around, tucking that down and into the center. And then now we'll get started back on this line, continuing to curve this around and through to the top, blending that together. Let's draw in another circle. So stepping up, again, curving this around, following this through as we come all the way down and into the center. And then we'll start back underneath, curving this over, blending that together on the top. Let's draw in our eyes now. So stepping over from the center, we're going to draw in another circle for the left eye. And then we'll step across on the right hand side, lining that up at the same height, just replicating that. Now over towards the inside edge, we're going to draw in the eyeball here. So adding in another circle. Just lots and lots of circles. Only a couple more. Okay, on the inside here, on the inside edge, we're going to draw in a smaller circle for the highlight. And then now let's draw the pupil. So right in the middle, our final circle here. Now let's color in our pupil black. Now let's come up for the eyebrows. We're going to curve this line out, around, tucking that back in. And then we'll do the exact same thing across on the right. Now right in the center here, we're going to draw in a small arch line. And then moving down below that, we're going to draw in an oval. Now for the tongue, let's just curve this line across. And then moving underneath again, we're just going to arch this around and then back up. Let's draw in our arms. So we're going to curve the line that comes out on a diagonal. And then we'll do the exact same thing, stepping underneath. Let's draw on the thumb. So starting on this line, we're going to round this out, curving this over, tucking that back up. Now for the first finger here, we're going to curve this around and in. Let's come down in the center, replicating that. And now one last time for the pinky, curving that around and back up. Let's close off the palm. So we're just going to round that out, curving that over and through to the top. And now let's draw in the drumsticks here. So we're going to draw a diagonal line coming out on the top. We're going to draw two. We'll do the exact same thing on the right. And now let's close this off on the top with a nice big circle. Let's move underneath. We're going to draw two more diagonal lines coming out on the bottom. And then we'll close that off with a curved line. Now let's draw the legs. So from the center, stepping out, we're going to curve this line across. We're going to round that out on the inside. Let's step over, rounding that knee out, tucking that up. And then we're just going to pull that back through to the top. Let's come down on the inside, curving that through to the bottom. We're going to round out the back of the foot here, curving that around and then back in. Now for the toe, stepping up, we're going to curve this over and in. Let's move across, replicating that. Again, moving over, rounding that in. Now for the pinky, we're just going to again curve this around and in, tucking that in towards the top. Now let's close off the top of the leg. So we're just going to bring this line down, rounding that out, tucking that over on the side. Now let's come up in the space where the knee is, just drawing in a small curved line. And then moving up and just arching 2 lines across. Tucking that into the middle. And now lastly, let's come up underneath, curving this in. Let's follow this through in the center. We'll tuck this up to the right arm. And then now from here on the top, we're just gonna round this out on the side, curving this around and in towards our hand. And that is it. That's how you draw Teng 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 Sahur. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.